a strange command came to Bani Israel: sacrifice a cow. Simple, right? But they complicated it with endless questions and excuses. This is the story of the cow of Bani Israel, a lesson on sincerity and obedience. After the Great Exodus, Prophet Musa, A.S., guided Bani Israel with Allah's commands. Allah instructed them to sacrifice a cow, but instead of obeying, they asked, what color, what kind, what age? The more they questioned, the more difficult they made it. The cow had to be neither too old nor too young, pure and free from blemishes. Finally, they found the right cow and sacrificed it as commanded. Why all this fuss over a simple sacrifice? Allah's command was a test of faith and submission, to see if His people would trust and obey without hesitation. The story reminds us, obedience to Allah isn't about endless questioning or doubts. It's about acting sincerely and trusting His wisdom. The cow of Bani Israel teaches us to avoid overcomplicating Allah's commands. Sometimes faith is simply about saying, "Yes, O Allah, we obey."